Hi guys, Russ Cowan, Money Smarts Incorporated. We started this video blog to add some value to the services we provide our clients and to their friends. We'd appreciate it if you'd comment on the videos and provide us with video topics you'd like to hear more about. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to share it or refer a friend. Last time we talked about not getting too wild with your write-offs, or at least making smart decisions on how we're going to write things off to make your company stronger. The good question is, what do we mean by stronger, and to who are we looking stronger? When I think about making my company stronger, I think about making my company look stronger to the bank, making my company look stronger to potential buyers, and making my company look stronger as a part of my eventual portfolio to retire. And so if my company's showing a strong income, if my company's showing a steady increase in income, it looks stronger to the bank. It's going to allow me to get financing to do what I want to do if I need financing. When I look at eventually wanting to sell my business, I want it to look strong. I want someone to be able to look at the paper my business produces, my profit and loss and my balance sheet, and see that my business is worth something. It's worth buying. Each year I have my business valued, so I know what it's worth. So I can decide, okay, my business is worth $500,000 or $1 million or $2.5 million, and now it's time to sell, or maybe I could consider selling and retiring. Now that's many years down the road for me, but I still like to have that planning in place so that I can move forward and make decisions about my business with my long-term big picture in mind. Ultimately, if I'm not thinking about selling my business, or that's the last thing on my mind, or maybe I'm going to transition it to a family member, you kind of look at it as still building an insurance policy. If my business had to sell today for my family, what would they get out of it? You know, if something happens to me, what's left? And I think that's a really important thing to consider when you're running a business, is the big picture. You know, I have an asset here that I'm putting my life into. My life's worth something, and this asset should be too, or there's no real point in doing it. And so part of doing that is being able to show on paper that your business has value. In recent years, we worked with a gentleman who owned a cleaning company, and he started a small cleaning company on his own, and then he invested and bought out somebody else's clients and grew that company. And he worked it for 5 years like that, and then he was able to sell it for 3 times more than what he paid. And so he treated it almost like a stock. He bought low and he sold high, and he did all the things that were necessary in between to build it. So that's another good example of somebody who actually played this system out, and we know that it works. Part of making my business look strong is being able to have pride in my business. I, being an accountant, look at my numbers all the time, but I like to see from one year to the next that my business is growing, both the top line and the bottom line, so that I can tell that the decisions I've made all year are right. You know, I've made good decisions. I've served my clients well so that they come back and they bring their friends. And that's really, really important to us, especially in a referral-based business. And so being able to see the pride and effort that I put into the company every day reflected on paper is just like a bonus to me. It's like my certificates on the wall. If I could say, hey, in 2014 I was making this, and in 2019 I'm going to be here, and that's a big change, that's probably the best reward a business owner can have. If you'd like to get a hold of us about how you can make your business look stronger and build the pride that I have in my business every day, feel free to give us a call. You can click below to give us a Google review, or feel free to share this video with a friend, or send us a referral. If you send us a referral, we'd be glad to give you a gift card. And thanks for watching our video today.